girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Lauv with the song called First Grade. A beautiful song from Lauv, and we have, like in many other Lauv songs, one chord progression that goes through the entire song, and it's pretty easy to handle. So that's the same scenario here. Let's start with the capo on the 5th. And yeah, let's look at the 4 chords we need. So we will start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's C. Next is A minor. So just take your finger down here, your ring finger, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So that's A minor. Next chord will be F. So a bar is what we need here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Yeah, so that's F, and the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we will play 4 downs per chord. A minor, F, 3, 4, and G. You will play that for a big part of the song. 2, 3, 4, and that's the same chord progression for the entire song. So C, A minor, F, and G. 4 downs per chord, and you will play that till 2 minutes and about 32 seconds into the song. So from that point, we'll start a strumming pattern, and that will be for about half a minute, so till about 3 minutes and 6 seconds. So during that time, from 2.5 to 3, you can say, you will play a strumming with the same chords, same chord progression, and one round will be down, 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 clap, down, down. Okay, so with C, it will sound like this. That is one round. Okay, so you will play 2 rounds per chord. So again, down, 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 clap, down. So with 2 rounds, it will sound like this. And then you shift to next chord, A minor, F, F, G, G, and you go all around again. After 3 minutes and 6 seconds into the song, you go back to the slower tempo. Now you will only play 1 down per chord. And this is what you're gonna play to the end of the song. So to summarize this, we have the same chord progression through the entire song. It will start with 4 downs per chord. And about 2 minutes and 32 seconds into the song, you play this down, 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 clap, down, down 2 times per chord. And from 3:06 till the end, you will play just 1 down per chord. And that will make it up for Lauv's First Grade. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you see you soon. Like always, play tuned.